Hey everyone, Vito from MoreBeer Pro. We got Colin from MoreBeer Pro. We're at CBC and we're gonna go over the Medusa bottle filler. All right, Colin, so walk me through this. MultiHead filler, hence the name Medusa probably?
Right, right. We figured this all looked like her hair, right? All the snakes running everywhere. There's a three-way valve on the top. One side's CO2, one side's beer. The three-way valve on the vent, so you can either fully vent or you can vent through this adjustable pressure relief. Adjusting the pressure relief sets the fill speed. So because you only have one fill speed adjustment, all 4 bottles fill at the same rate.
Okay.
So when you get rolling on it, you can have 4 bottles filling and 4 capping.
Gotcha.
While it's all going. Before we went to the manifold that gets us 1 fill rate on everything, it was really hard to get everything timed.
Dialed in,
but now you time it all and you can really work efficiently.
And I noticed this can go up and down, so you could do
different size bottles.
750s, 12 ounce, 375s, etc.
Absolutely, yeah.
And they slide in on and out right in there.
I've got it locked right now.
Okay.
But
you loosen those in Allen and there you go.
Yeah, there's a little flip valve to lock it. And so you put your bottle in, you push it down, the tension between the two holds it sealed. Counter pressure, go ahead and vent some CO2 through it, pressurize it, then go ahead and fill.
And then when it's time to break it all down, do I just, cleaning, what does the cleaning cycle look like?
You know, I just push cleaner through here,
Okay.
push beer line cleaner through,
Yeah.
and run each fill head.
Awesome, man, this thing's amazing. Cool, so you can find this, the Medusa MultiHead body filler, and all this other amazing stuff at morebeerpro.com.